Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter popcorn. First, ensure you have about 8 cups of freshly popped popcorn ready in a large bowl. Next, gather your sauce ingredients: 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, and 1/4 cup of sugar. You'll also need 1 tablespoon of water and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Having everything measured out beforehand makes the process much smoother. Now, let's create that delicious peanut butter sauce. In a medium saucepan, combine the 1/4 cup of butter, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of water. Place the saucepan over medium heat, stirring occasionally until the butter melts and the sugar dissolves. Once the mixture comes to a rolling boil, continue stirring constantly for exactly 2 minutes. This ensures the sauce reaches the perfect consistency. After 2 minutes of boiling, remove the saucepan from the heat. Immediately stir in the 1/2 cup of peanut butter and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix vigorously until the peanut butter is fully incorporated and the sauce is smooth and creamy. Now, pour this warm, luscious peanut butter mixture evenly over your 8 cups of popped popcorn. Gently toss the popcorn to ensure every piece is beautifully coated. Once your popcorn is thoroughly coated, spread it out in a single layer on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. This helps it cool evenly and prevents sticking. Let it cool completely at room temperature. This allows the sauce to set, giving you that perfect, slightly chewy and wonderfully sweet treat. Once cool, break it apart and enjoy. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.